Hello people, this is my ninth review of the day and I am reviewing the movie मेरे brother की दुल्हन. This film was cute, yeah. I mean, my first instinct, when you think of a movie is whether it was bad or it was boring or this was cute. I mean, it had Katrina Kaif, Imran Khan, and this Pakistani actor whose name I forget right now. I normally remember it, yeah, but I don't know. So, and the music also, yeah. Like I listen to music chumantar whenever I'm a little down and I want some music to pep me up. So, I would give the film, yeah, at least a 4-star rating, yeah, if not 5 stars, but 4 star for sure. So, and in fact, I need to say a word about the actors. Kawaljit and the people who played the role of Katrina Kaif's mother and mother-in-law. I mean, the older set of actors, the senior actors, are also very, very sweet and very convincing. You would really think that they are the parents of the bride and the groom. So, I think very good casting over there. So go and watch this movie, people. It's a very breezy entertainer. So yeah. So thanks for watching, people, and please subscribe.